You got a VPN, you've chosen a server and hit that connect button. The interface confirms you're protected, and now you think you're completely invisible online, shrouded in a digital fortress. You feel secure, browsing with confidence. But that digital cloak? It's not as seamless as you believe. In reality, it's full of holes. VPNs encrypt your traffic, creating a secure tunnel for your data as it travels across the internet. But they can't control what your browser leaks, and that's where the problem lies. Your browser might be unintentionally exposing your sensitive information. Imagine your VPN as an armored truck, a robust vehicle designed for secure transport. It's great on the highway, protecting your data in transit, but if your browser's side door is open, meaning it has security flaws or misconfigurations, your info spills out, negating the VPN's protection. Features built for convenience, not privacy, can leak your real IP address or DNS requests, critical pieces of information that can identify you. This inadvertently giving away your location and browsing habits even with a VPN active. It's like whispering your secrets in a crowded room. Millions trust VPNs as their primary line of defense, seeking anonymity and security online. But their browsers quietly betray them, undermining their efforts to stay private and secure. Even the best VPN, with all its advanced features and robust encryption, can't help if your browser is insecurely configured, leaving you vulnerable to tracking and data breaches. The weakest link is often your browser, the application you rely on to access the internet, the very tool you use every day, often without realizing the risks it poses to your privacy. To truly protect yourself and maintain your online anonymity, you need a comprehensive approach. You need to know where these leaks come from, understanding the vulnerabilities within your browser. Let's break down how your browser can blow your cover, exposing your digital footprint despite your best efforts. First up, WebRTC. This browser feature enables video calls and file sharing, but it can expose your real IP, even with a VPN. Any website can exploit WebRTC to grab your true location, and it's enabled by default in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Next, browser extensions. Many have broad permissions, and some can leak your data or bypass your VPN entirely. Even VPN browser extensions only protect browser traffic, not your whole device. Finally, DNS leaks. If your browser sends DNS requests outside your VPN, your ISP can see every site you visit. These leaks can undo all your privacy efforts in seconds. In today's digital landscape, ensuring your online privacy is more crucial than ever. But how can you be absolutely certain that your VPN is truly doing its job, shielding your sensitive data from prying eyes? How do you know if your VPN is leaking your information? That's where vpntest.pro comes in. It's a simple yet powerful tool designed to give you a clear picture of your VPN's effectiveness. The best part? No sign-up is required, and there's absolutely no software to install. Just visit the site and it instantly performs a series of comprehensive tests to check for any potential leaks that could compromise your security. First and foremost, it displays the IP address that your browser is currently broadcasting to the world. If the IP address shown is your actual IP address, then you've got a serious problem on your hands. Your VPN isn't working as it should. Next, the DNS leak test steps in to reveal whether your internet service provider or ISP is able to monitor your browsing activity, even with the VPN active. Finally, the WebRTC test takes center stage, meticulously checking if your real IP address is exposed through WebRTC, even if the initial IP address test appears to be secure. If vpntest.pro uncovers your real IP address or detects your ISP's DNS servers, it's a clear indication that your privacy has been compromised, and immediate action is required. It's a swift and cost-free method to gain insight into the information the internet can potentially access about you. Never blindly trust that your VPN is functioning flawlessly. Always put it to the test. Discovering a leak in your privacy setup can be unsettling, but don't panic. Most are fixable with a bit of careful attention. It's a common issue, and addressing it systematically is key to maintaining your anonymity. Remember, staying calm allows you to troubleshoot effectively. First, and this is crucial, disable WebRTC. WebRTC can expose your real IP address even when using a VPN, so disabling it is a fundamental step. In Firefox, you can manually disable WebRTC by accessing the advanced configuration page. Type about.config in the address bar, then search for media.peerconnection.enabled and set its value to false. This will effectively disable WebRTC within Firefox. For Chrome or Edge, which don't offer a built-in WebRTC disable option, Use a trusted extension like WebRTC Network Limiter. These extensions effectively manage WebRTC and prevent IP leaks. Next, take a close look at your browser extensions. Audit your extensions regularly to ensure they are all necessary and trustworthy. Uninstall anything you don't absolutely trust, especially VPN browser plugins, which often do more harm than good. These plugins can be deceptive and may log your data or introduce vulnerabilities. Always use a full VPN application, not just a browser extension. A dedicated app provides system-wide protection. A real app encrypts all your traffic, securing your entire connection, and often includes a kill switch, which automatically disconnects you from the internet if the VPN connection drops, preventing accidental IP exposure. After making changes to your settings and extensions, it's essential to retest your setup at vpntest.pro to confirm that the leaks are indeed gone. This site provides comprehensive leak testing. Your IP address, as displayed by the test, should show the VPN's address, confirming that your real IP is masked. The DNS servers being used should be your VPN servers, not your ISPs, to prevent DNS leaks. Finally, the WebRTC test should not reveal your real IP address. If it does, revisit your WebRTC disabling steps. Only trust your setup and consider it secure after you've thoroughly verified that it's leak-free through these tests. Patch any vulnerabilities, conduct thorough tests, and repeat the process regularly to maintain a strong security posture. True privacy is proactive, not passive. It requires constant vigilance and active management of your security settings. Take control of your digital footprint. Don't just hope for the best. Actively secure your privacy. Online privacy isn't set and forget. Browsers update, new leaks appear, and extensions change hands. Make it a habit. After browser updates or new extensions, visit vpntest.pro and check for leaks. Pair a quality VPN with a hardened browser, disable risky features, minimize extensions, and use full VPN apps. Privacy-focused browsers like Brave or a tweaked Firefox offer extra protection. Your privacy is your responsibility. Don't assume, verify. Test regularly, fix leaks, and stay vigilant. In a world where data is gold, these steps are just smart. Stay safe, stay skeptical, and keep your digital cloak solid.